All right, so what we got today is we got a start button overlay in red. So what we're gonna do is, this is cleaning pad. Clean the button. It smells like acetone. So let's get that button get clean. A few seconds to let it dry. Go with the move. Before we get all the way stuck, we can go ahead on and put the button on. Other side of the tape, pills. What we don't want is for them to be off. Oh. Hold the pressure on it. What I like to do is do like a 30-second hold on each one, kind of pressure, make sure it's good and stuck. Well, I just learned something. So your foot don't have to be on the brake. If you hold the engine start button long enough, it will crank. All right. So I'm gonna let that do it. I will leave the link for this in the description.